Yan yung gusto niya, guys. Diyan yung abo kasama yung family niya. Pops snack. Say bye-bye, Pops.
Bye-bye, Pop.
Oh gosh. Do you miss Pops snack?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now.
Fix ba? Good girl. Yep. Oh. Oh, smells so good too. Hey, hi guys! Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel.
Watching.
Thank you for watching. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. It's the 10th of January and it's currently 12 o'clock ng hapon. May lakad tayo ngayon guys. So pupunta tayo ngayon ng sementeryo. Actually, yung papasok lang pala ay si Daddy Mike, tapos yung tatay niya, tapos yung tiyuhin niya. Kasi today, ililibing namin si Pops. Can you remember, I think last year, pumanaw si Pops. Pero dahil nga sa anong tawag dito, dahil nga sa pandemic and also hindi na-organize yung libing. Although na-cremate na siya guys, pero hindi pa siya nadala sa sementeryo. And yan din yung agenda ng tatay ni Daddy Mike, bakit nandito siya ngayon, to do that and of course to visit us. Pero yan talaga yung main talaga guys na gagawin nila. So sila lang yung papasok, kami ni Baby Paris pupunta kami somewhere, I don't know as yet. Careful! Yan, dito na kami guys. Sa cemetery.
So beautiful. She said so beautiful, mommy.
Is it so beautiful here na? So beautiful daw sabi ni Paris. Ah, beautiful flowers daw, Daddy. Yan. Dito namin dadalhin guys kasi yung mama at papa niya dito rin nakalibing. And yun yung request niya na pag nawala daw siya sa mundo, gusto niya na ilibing din siya kasama yung yung parents niya. Kaya yun. Hindi na sana kami papasok ni Paris. Sabi ng ng tiyuhin ni Daddy Mike. Ano daw, come in. Isaman lang kami. Ayan sila guys. Oo, umalis kami ni Baby Paris kasi sobrang init. Yan yung gusto niya guys. Diyan yung abo kasama yung family niya. Pops snack. Say bye-bye, Pops.
Bye-bye, Pop.
Oh gosh. Do you miss Pops snack?
Yes.
Yeah, I miss Pops. Nak, do you miss Pops? I miss Pops too. Sobrang init kasi guys. Oo, dito talaga tayo hahantong lahat guys. Kaya habang buhay pa tayo, dapat try natin maging happy, live life to the fullest. Kasi dyan guys, walang masisilungan na kahoy, sobrang init. Papahinga ka na. No? Did you take your shoes off?
I will do it. I will do it myself.
Should Tita your dress be your beautiful dress? Come on, stand up. Show your beautiful dress. Quick.
No.
Sige na. Sige na. Yung tatay pala ni Daddy Mike guys, he'll stay here for a week. Kasama sa amin. So sa amin siya magstay. And yeah, as mentioned before, ito talaga yung agenda niya kung bakit pumunta siya ng Melbourne. Kasi gusto nilang tapusin yung itong burial ba. And Yeah, after that, ano lang din, visit pa. Kasi tingnan nyo, yan sila oh. Yung kasama ni Daddy Mike na naka-black. Kapatid yan ng tatay niya. Oh, yung naka-white, yan yung tatay niya. Tapos pinsan niya ni Daddy Mike yung isang naka-black. Dalawa lang sila guys. Si Daddy Mike, siya lang talaga mag-isa. Kaya nga, nag-decide talaga kami ni Daddy Mike na dalawahin yung anak namin. Yep, no? Nak, you want brother or sister? Look here. Baba, do you want brother or sister? Where's this? Wait. Finished? Water? Did you drink your water or not? No? Quick saba. Good girl. Hi guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay ni Pops. Ayan. So dito daw kami lunch. We'll get something to eat and then we'll have lunch here. And then we'll go from there. Hindi namin alam kung anong sunod dito guys. What is it na? You wanna go? Pops' house. Where's Papi?
In the house.
Papi's in the house. Papi's in the house? Sobrang ganda ng araw today, guys. Very blue ng sky. Ayan, oh. Kita ba? Kumabulaklak ni Pop. Namumulaklak pa, oh.
I'm so hungry.
What is that, na?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Are you?
Yes.
Oh no. What would you like to eat?
Come on.
Huh?
Look.
We gotta go get something to eat soon, okay? So tell Tita and Tito what you'd like to eat.
What's that?
What would you like to eat?
What's that, Mama? What's that?
What's that?
Black.
It's a block, yeah.
What's for reading?
For what?
For reading.
For what, ma?
For reading. Cool.
For building.
Oh, you for building.
Yes, careful, anak.
Hello. Yeah. You want to come around the back and
Come.
where are you?
Where's Papi?
Gaming.
Papi's sleeping.
Puppy, you love puppy?
Ano guys, tingnan niyo, oh, dito kami before, binibisita namin siya. Yan, wala na. Buhay talaga. Ito pala guys, mga gamit ko pala ito. Ayan, oh. I have to bring them home. Akin to guys. Yan. Papi? Para sa ganap ng kanyang papi. Where's Pop? What would you like? Wait, come on. Would you like blue bottle? It's at home. We're gonna go home soon. You have to wait for the car to cool down. It's too hot. Are you sleepy? Are you gonna have a nap? Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 6:20 ng hapon and kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay guys. Ang ating baby girl ay nandyan oh. Nak! Say hi, Nak! Baba! Shh! Paris, what's this? What's this? Paris? Is that Paris?
Yes.
Yes. Ayan, nanonood muna ako ng ano guys. Vice, ganda yung kanyang bahay. Sobrang ganda-ganda. Oh my God. Anyways guys, ang ating daddy pala ay nasa likuran kasama yung tatay niya. Kasi yung tatay niya, nagpatulong si Daddy Mike na maglinis ang likuran namin kasi nga mahaba na yung mga damo. Alam niyo yun? And then, si Daddy Mike, nilinisan niya yung barbecue niya kasi gusto niya mag-barbecue. Actually, last night, sobrang excited niya ha. Na kagabi pa siya nag-marinate na talaga ng mga meat and everything. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung minarinate ni Daddy Mike. However, yun na nga, nilinisan pa niya yung ang tawag dito, yung barbecue kasi, God, I can't even remember the last time na ginamit namin yan. And yun. Anyways, papakita natin yung meat kung nalabas na ni Daddy Mike sa fridge, guys. Daddy! Show us the meat? Show us the meat? Kita ni Daddy Mike ang kanyang meat. Sobrang dami, guys. Ay, nasa fridge. So, ito yung first na ginawa niya, guys. Ayan, pork chop. I don't know kung anong mga sauce ang nilagay ni Daddy Mike dito. And then, second one, I think whole chicken to siya. Ayan. Ayan, whole chicken. Masarap yan, guys. May mga sili-sili pa, oh. And then, this one here is pinya. From ano pa yan, guys, nung binili ko, New Year's. Pero gusto niyang ilagay sa smoker din sa barbecue. Masarap din yan, guys. Although, sa mga buntis daw, hindi daw maganda yung pinya. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think about that. Kasi, I really love to eat this. Pero yung nabasa ko nga, guys, na hindi daw maganda yung pinya sa buntis. And then, this one here is corn. And nilagyan ni Daddy ng, nakalimutan ko kung anong nilagay niya dito. And then, kanina, nung nasa labas kami, guys, pumunta kami ng shop kasi nagpabili ako kay Daddy Mike nito. Gusto ko kasi at the moment, guys, yung plain lang kasi nasusuka ako kapag maraming mga, anong tawag to, flavor ba? So, ayan, ito lang siya. Ilalagay ko sa barbecue, tapos, suka tuyo. Then, that's it, guys. Yan lang. Very, plain.
Excuse me.
Would you like?
Wanna help us?
She wants to help out, Daddy. Yeah, but that's black now. It'll get dirty.
Please.
Ooh.
That's about it, yeah. Don't touch it.
They're putting it.
Things with two over it.
They're putting the big fire away.
That'll be done.
The pork?
The chop.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Oh. Oh, it smells so good too. Is the chicken nearly finished? No.
Chicken's gonna be last.
Did you stuff lemon
Yeah.
in the chicken?
Yeah. Alright.
Corn might need a bit of a tune.
Oh yeah, it does. It's really
the
hot.
reality is, chef, it saves a lot of dishes too, because you can eat the paper plate. So you've not got no pots and stuff.
Your one's not much longer.
Yeah.
Your one.
Everything's sliced too, this one.
What are they taking you to?
Are you excited to have our dinner, the barbecue?
That's one to eat it.
Yes. How are you gonna eat it? Babe? Show mommy, babe. Yum, 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 yum. Are you excited? Yeah. Are you gonna have the belly?
Yes.
Like mommy?
Ew.
Ay, shush.
And Daddy's on leather too.
Ay, shush, 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 shush. Okay.
Want to go see it.
You wanna go see? Ayun guys, oh. Gusto niya talaga makialam dito ba? Ang ating baby girl ay nandyan guys, oh. Paris! Hello! What are you doing? Oh gosh. Have a look na ako. Mag-una ni karon nak. Glow in the dark. Glow in the dark. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Everywhere meron ganito. Kasi binilhan ni Daddy Mike si Paris ng Band-Aid kasi gusto niyang laruin. Ano yan? Puno na yung bahay ng Band-Aid. Ay, gosh! Paabuyag! Ayan na guys. Luto na. Oh my God, smells so good. Gumawa na rin ako ng para ano guys. Ang tawag dito? Soy sauce tsaka vinegar para dito sa ating. Tapos nilagyan ko ng magic sarap. Oh my God. Ang ating rice ay luto na rin. So, good to go. Well done, Daddy. Well done, cook. Tapos na kaming mag-dinner, guys. Tignan nyo, oh. Daddy's making his lunches. Ayan. Naglagay siya ng steak sa, kanina. And then there's pork. And Daddy also made a salad. Ayan. Tapos, marami pa guys. Oh, mango. Corn and pineapple. Yeah, and he's currently doing the chicken now. It's cooked.
Huh?
Wow, oh, smells so good, guys. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 9:40 ng gabi. Say it's 9:40, tita. Paris is not sleeping as yet. What are you having?
Candy. I just cracker.
Huh? Candy? Ayan guys, kakatapos naming mag-dinner. Ang sarap-sarap ng dinner guys. Oh my God. And I'm so happy na nakakain ako without feeling sick. After 3 weeks na holiday natin guys, back to work na tayo bukas. And we are still working from home. Wala pa ring sign na bumalik kami ng opisina full-time. So, still dito muna tayo sa bahay, which is good, you know. I really like it kasi, I don't know, I don't have to wake up that early, you know. But yes, back to work na bukas, guys. Oh my God. Hindi ako makapaniwala, guys. Tapos na ang ating 3 weeks na holiday. Anyways, susulitin na lang natin na magtrabaho pa tayo, guys. Kasi, by mga end of June, ganyan, kailangan na natin mag-maternity leave. Kasi, darating na ang ating baby number 2. Sister or brother?
Sister.
Ah, sister. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I just wanna say thank you sa inyong lahat for always watching our videos. Maraming salamat sa pag-suporta sa ating channel and sa mga comments nyo na magaganda na sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Maraming salamat. And before natin i-end ang ating vlog, of course, we will do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Christine Namayan ng Aklan, Janeline Kalisagan, from Iligan City. Shout out to Emelita Gonzalez. Shout out to Sally Saminiano, Luz Macasa, Ofelia Alcaide, Carlota Pedro. Shout out to Fidis Piging, Cherry Salazar, and also Salazar family in Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Lisan Bansil, Lovely Dimasangkay, Marinel Chomi from Iligan City. Shout out to Bem Morales, Cherry May Ongayo, Annabel Sarino, Jovilo Joy Palasan. Shout out to Sonia Laison, Caridad Faltiquera, Gail, Maricar Castañeda, Rose Dote, Alena Risolis, Feli Ilamparo, Joanne Ambe, Ellen Abordo, and Lynn's Vlog. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And ang ating baby girl ay umalis na, guys. Makeup na lang natin bukas, guys, na andun siya mag-end ng ating vlog. I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye!